Welcome to another session of Retail Graph. Today we will learn about text category. We go to Start, and within Masters we have Inventory, and within Inventory we have Text category. Text category has all the details related to taxes that are applied on sales and purchase. As you can see, this window has the existing text categories within the system. We can again have different parameters available here by going to Set Grid Layout and adjusting it according to our requirement, and then just clicking Save and exit from Set Grid Layout. Again, as you can see, the layout and the syntax of these forms remains the same throughout for different options within. This is throughout the same in most of the menus of Retail Graph software to give it a standardized feature and a user-friendly approach like Home, View, Options. These options are same in other menus also. So in Home we have New, Edit, Form View, Print, Delete, Refresh, and in View we have Preview, Print Options, Grid, Save Layout. And similarly in Options we have Export to Excel, System Maintenance, Log Reports, Send SMS, Export Import Data, and Detailed Search. So we start with Home, which has New. Once we click on New, a window pops up which is the text category window. To start with, we have applied on whether it is on sales or on purchase. We have to select. We have selected sales. Now in sales it is within state, the text type, whether it is on MRP, VAT, composition, sales tax, reimbursement, stock transfer, service tax. We can select. Like I have selected MRP. Now tax rate 5%, 12%, exempted 1% or others. So we have selected 5%. As we select, you can see the tax code is SM1 and description is sales within state on MRP rate 5%. Now if it is interstate, we click on interstate. We select a form type CEFAB, transfer or without C form, and then we select the rate, and then similarly we select text type and text category, and again the text code will be generated and description will be there. Now we move on to posting account details. Now in posting account we have text. So for text, what is the posting account? We can select it, or we can again create a new posting account by just clicking on new, and again a window pops up wherein we can enter the details like group, name, alias, address and more. We can save and exit. Now similarly on sales, whether it is which account it is, we can select, or we can click on new and select. Similarly for surcharge, whether it is new or it is there in system. Similarly for sales return, for additional surcharge, and for claims allowed. We also have to select the text type for interstate with C form, whether it is 5%, 12.5%, exempted or something new. If it is new, again we can click on new and enter the details of the text type. Similarly for text type for interstate without C form, we can select SV1, SV2, SV0. The description is mentioned like SV1 is sales with state on VAT rate 5%, tax is VAT, tax rate is this, tax is false, and other details are mentioned here. Similarly, the incidential rate and its description, the percentage rate, whether it is applied on free goods, whether it is inclusive in MRP or not, whether the direct taxable value by what percent, and it is for the local tax is inclusive or all is inclusive. Similarly for tax rate, what is the rate, whether it is on free goods, whether it is in MRP, the direct taxable value by percent, and whether it is for the LTI and all. Similarly surcharge rate, and whether it is applicable on the tax value, the sales value, or the sales value plus the tax value, and the additional surcharge rate, its definition, rate, and it's applicable on sales value, tax value, and sales value plus text value. So this is the text category, that creating a new text category, just what we have learned. Similarly, we can edit also the existing text category. For example, I have selected this text category. I've just clicked on edit, and I can edit the text category mentioned here, which is PV1. That is the code. The description is purchase within state on VAT rate 5%. Herein we can edit and just click on save and exit. Also we can do a form view, and again we can edit the details and save. We are on the same window. This is the only difference between form view and edit. So again we can enter a new text category detail here and save it. If it is a recurring task, generally we select the form view. Also we can print the different text categories which are here. We can delete a text category. If we have made some updates, we can just click on refresh and refresh the sheet. In view, again we can do a preview, a print options which are there, setting the grid layout, saving the layout, and options as we have seen, like export to Excel, system maintenance, log reports, send SMS, export import data, and details such. I hope you have understood text category. Thank you so much.